Hey guys, how are you all? In this video, I'll be showing you that how can you copy contacts from your one iPhone to your second iPhone. How can you transfer that contacts, or how can you sync that contact in your new iPhone? What you have to do, like suppose this is my new iPhone and I was using a iPhone in past and I want to contact that iPhone contacts to my this iPhone. What can I do? Firstly, you just have to go on your setting here, log in into your Apple ID in your new iPhone that was you using in your past. So the same Apple ID will matter a lot. Firstly, this is my Apple ID. I have logged in my new phone. I will go on iCloud option here. In iCloud, you can see there is a lot of option called Photos, iCloud Drive, iCloud Mail. Click on the Show All option here, and you can see this is Contact. You just have to enable your contact from here like this. This is the video. Thank you so much for watching it. Please subscribe the channel if you liked, and we will meet again with the next and the best video with all of you.